What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Pokélex Studios. In today's video, we're going to be opening up the Scarlet and Violet 151 Ultra Premium Collection Box. I know that it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I promise that I will start to upload a lot more. Just been trying to stock up on product so that we can have nice openings for you guys. So this is the first time we're going to be opening up this Ultra Premium Collection Box. Before we do get started, if you guys would please go ahead and smash that like button for me if you don't mind. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm very excited for the promos that come in this box. They are pretty nice promos. The box seems to be doing the same as the Charizard. It was at, I believe, 120 when it came out, and now you can get it from anywhere from $90 to $100. So this thing is gonna slide out like that. And then it looks like just, oh wow. Let's see what we got here. So there is our promo cards. We got the Mew EX Gold. I believe it is a metal card. Oh, that one doesn't slide out. We have the Mewtwo. We have the Mewtwo. Only place you can get this card is in this premium collection box or in the Japanese set 151. And then of course we have the beautiful Mew EX. And it is off-centered left to right, so that is a bummer. And now we can get this thing out of here. Our metal card. Yeah, so it's having some technical difficulties on getting the card out, but we don't have to salvage any of this box. So we do plan on trying to get a couple cases of this Ultra Premium Collection Box and putting them away. The centering on this metal card looks really good. Not sure. I have to look into see what company is actually grading these metal cards, but I would definitely want to send this one in to get graded. It looks very good for a metal card. No chipping. Beautiful promo card. So of course we got the deck box. We have the Mew coin counters. We don't play really. So we're just gonna go straight for the packs. So we did start a binder for this set. Maybe we just run through it really quick to show you guys the progress on it. We're still missing a lot of cards, but we've done very well so far. So we're just gonna run through it really quick. Don't want to keep you guys here any longer than you have to be. So of course starts off with common cards. We got Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, Squirtle, Turtle. So let's go back to the illustrations rare. So we have the Ivysaur illustration rare. We have Caterpie, Pikachu, Nidoking, Dragonair right there, Machoke, Omanite, and Tangela. So it looks like we're missing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more illustrations rare, and we will have them all. We got 3 full arts: Arbok, Wigglytuff, Golem. We do have Jinx, Bill's Transfer, Daisy's Help. We have the Venusaur EX Special illustration rare, and we just have the Erica's Invitation illustration rare. Hopefully we can pull that special illustration rare today. That would be amazing. So I believe we do have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 packs come in this Ultra Premium collection box. Yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments if you've had the chance to open up this box and if you got any good pulls from it. Here we go, guys. Pokemon 151. Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Growlithe, Charmeleon, Parasect, Giovanni's Charisma, Marowak, Seal, and a Gyarados Holo for our first pack. Scarlet and Violet 151. Yeah, Pokemon killed it this year. This year with the special sets. You got Crown Zenith banger set. Now you have Pokemon Scarlet and Violet 151. Two amazing side sets. Executor, doubling up on the Nidoking, and a Kabutops Holo. So the corners are off a little bit on that Nidoking. We do have at PSA all illustration rares from the Japanese version of this set. Hopefully we can get all 10s so we can have the entire illustration rare set. Code card always given out in each and every video for you guys. Spearow, Rhyhorn, Magikarp, Oddish, Executor, Rigid Band, Graveler, Weepinbell, Dragonite, and a Gyarados again. And we got the Water Holo energy. I think we got almost all the energies in Holo version. They are in the back of the binder, of course. We're still missing some of the promos. I know we got the Snorlax from the ETB, of course. And then I'm not sure which other promo we do have. We got Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Golbat, Leftovers, Persian, Zubat, Weedle, and a Ditto. Now we got the Leaf Grass Energy Holo. Yeah, so this collection box comes with 16 packs. It's a good amount of packs. Now, however, the pull rates for this set don't seem to be the greatest, but nonetheless, very, very popular and amazing set. Jolteon, Shelder, and a Dodrio Holo. Where are the pulls? So far, just one illustration rare. Not good at all. Still need that full art Charizard, special illustration rare Charizard. Ekans, Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Scyther, Charmeleon, Chansey, Beedrill. We are killing it with the holos right now. Code card and a Mankey, Meowth, Execute, Clefairy, Arcanine, Farfetch'd, Scyther, Flareon. Where are the hits? We have an Eevee, Dome Fossil, Weedle, Zubat, Muck, Daisy's Help, Venomoth, Vulpix, Vaporeon, and Electrode Holo. Yeah. This set is very, very brutal on the pulls. I think we've opened a total of maybe 2 ETBs. We opened up the binder collection and now the premium collection box. Kadabra, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Arcanine, Doduo, and a Mr. Mime with the Fire Holo energy. So we got water, grass, and fire. Would be nice to pull that Blastoise special illustration rare along with the Charizard to complete the trio. Not quite base set, but definitely a different version. Caterpie, Eevee, Grimer, Weedle, Parasect, Cloyster, Giovanni's Charisma, Protective Goggles, Energy Sticker, Marowak, and we got the Lightning now. Definitely pulling a lot of holo energies, but one illustration rare? Are you serious? I am happy to say that we have gotten a really bad premium collection box out of circulation, so that you guys don't have to open it. Looks like we got 5 more packs to go. Goldeen, Weeping Bell, Ghastly, Paris, Rapidash, Nidorina, Eradicate, Moltres, Ekans, and a Mewtwo holo. There's a code card. Here we go. We just need at least 1 to 2 more pulls to go with our Nidoking. If not, it will be a very sad, sad day. Ghastly, Rhydon, Rigid Band, Nidorino, Rigid Band again, but reverse. Seaking. Look at that Kangaskhan EX. Well, that is a hit. Didn't say what kind of hit we wanted, but we did get a hit. Voltorb, Krabby, Sandrew, Seal, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Dome Fossil, Slowbro. Oh, we got the Charizard EX Full Art, baby. Did need this one for the binder, of course. It is off-centered, but no worries. Last 2 packs of the video. Are we gonna get at least 1 more? Clefairy, Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Machoke, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Abra, Tauros, and a Moltres holo. And we are on our final pack of this premium collection box from Scarlet and Violet 151. Let's see what we are going to pull. So, of course, this is the last pack of the video. Before we get to the last card, if you guys would please go ahead and smash that like button for me. We're gonna definitely need luck on the next opening that we do. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for this awesome hit that we're about to pull. We got a reverse Poliwrath, and we got the gold Mew EX and a Jinx right behind it. So, not the greatest premium collection box, but we did get the Mew and the Charizard here at the end. That's it for this one, guys. Keep collecting, keep pulling amazing cards, and I will catch you on the next one.